National Electrical Code Training. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex U.S. electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour interactive instructor-led course provides an in-depth review of NEC requirements, including recent updates, with a focus on practical applications in design, installation, and construction. What you'll learn? Students will learn NEC layout and navigation, wiring methods, grounding and bonding, overcurrent protection, conductor ampacity, voltage drop, motors, transformers, hazardous locations, and renewable energy provisions, all with real-world compliance examples. This course, taught by a leading NEC expert, the course uses demonstrations, problem-solving exercises, polls and quizzes, and quanda to ensure students not only understand the National Electrical Code, but they also know how to quickly find answers and apply them confidently on the job. Who should attend? This course is ideal for plant electricians, electrical contractors, engineers, inspectors, facility managers, and anyone responsible for NEC compliance. This course comes with a NEC training certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, 100-page electrical maintenance handbook, and a 100 coupon toward future EFTI training. Stay compliant, pass inspections, and build safer, more reliable systems. Register today for EFTI's NEC training and master the National Electrical Code with confidence.